Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today we'll be discussing the 3 best steps to take if you're aware that your property has sold or if it's under contract to sell. If you've not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. If you find this video helpful and learn something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. This video will be helpful for anyone in the multifamily industry that works at a property that is either under contract to sell or has already been sold. During the time you found out the property has been sold, or if it is being sold, it is normal to feel a certain level of anxiety due to so much unknown. The point of this video is not to scare you, but to prepare you for that unknown. The big question you probably will ask yourself, what's next? These are the 3 steps to keep in mind if you're in this situation. Number 1, update your resume. There's a lot of situations that could result from your asset being sold that is likely you'll need to be interviewing in the near future. New property management company could bring in their own staff, and do this you may be forced to find new employment. Or if they tend to keep the staff from the previous management company, they may require you to interview before officially hiring you within their company. In either situation, it is a good practice to update your resume. Number 2 step to keep in mind when your property is being sold, find out who the new property management company is. This may be a little tricky to find out first, but usually prior to a property selling, there'll be some individuals from the new company coming during the due diligence period. They will ask things about the property and the market, and it's fine to ask for their name and ask if they have an email to send them some things, and maybe even in their business cards. For these 2 things, you should be able to find out who the property management company is. I would suggest doing research on their culture, strategy, compensation, benefits, etc. to make sure it's in line with what you're looking for and is a good match for you. You may be able to find out as well who's the regional or VP that is likely to take that asset over as one of the properties they're overseeing. I wouldn't recommend applying to the company or reaching out to them until your site has sold. Oftentimes a sale will fall through or be extended, and you may find out the new company is bringing in their own staff. Number 3 best practice to keep in mind, expect a lot of change to come. It is normal to see a lot of changes after a property sells. There may be a strategy change, renovations, new software, new staff dynamics, etc. When your property sells, it can be extremely stressful with so much unknown coming up. It is important that you put yourself in the best possible position for the next potential steps. Hope you found this information I shared today helpful and makes the process a little bit easier for you and your team. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing!